Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Analytics for sales tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, click on the admin gear icon in the lower left corner. In the admin area, you will see three columns: Account, Property, and View. In the Property column, click on plus Create Property. Fill in your website name, URL, and select the appropriate industry category and reporting time zone. Click on Create to set up your new property. You will be presented with a tracking ID and a global site tag code. Copy the global site tag code. Next, open your website's backend or content management system. Locate the settings for header or footer codes. Paste the global site tag code into the header section before the closing /head tag. Save your changes. To set up sales tracking, return to your Google Analytics account. In the Property column, navigate to Data Streams. Select your web data stream. Scroll down to the Enhanced Measurements section. Make sure sales tracking features are enabled. You might want to customize events to monitor specific sales actions. Next, go to the Conversions section in the admin area. Click on plus New Conversion Event. Add relevant events like purchase or transaction. Save your settings. To test if Google Analytics is tracking sales, use the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension. Open your website and perform a test transaction. Return to Google Analytics and check the real-time reporting section. Ensure your test transaction is recorded properly. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your Google Analytics is now configured for sales tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.